how to create an Outlook email on Windows. So open any of your favorite browser and type Outlook space mail. Once you have typed it, hit enter. And the very first result will come outlook.live.com. Open the very first result, Outlook free personal email, which is really a great email service. Now, once you open that link, it will ask you try premium and click on sign in. And here you see a create a free account, free Outlook email, and click calendar. Free Outlook email, create free account. So I'll click on create free account. And here you can enter your email address, your desired email address, and email address has to be unique. And here you can create the password. And if you would like to get the tips, information, offers of Microsoft products, you can do a check mark and click on next. And here you can mention your name. And so I'll mention anything here and I'll click on next. And here you can select your country. And once you have selected, you can mention your date of birth. Now, it will ask you to solve a puzzle. Just wanted to confirm that you are not a robot. So you can click on next. So pick the camel. So I will click right here. So I can see the email is about to be created. Very easy process. And you can also do that. So we have successfully created a new email account without any phone number. Now you can start using Outlook email. I can see I have inbox and you can click on new. And it is the safest, fastest, and one of the best email service. Please hit the like and subscribe and let me know in the comment section if you have successfully created the account. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.